it's Hoser Pinky here, and today I have a Breyer review for you. And so today we're going to be reviewing and opening up Chance, the limited edition mid-state exclusive, and he is gorgeous, gorgeous. So we had to order him. He came today, and yeah, because we don't have any tax stores around us. The closest one was from Minnesota. Yeah. So he is gorgeous, and I just can't. I can't even look at him. He's too pretty. So yes, and here is the back. So you can pause and read that if you like. Yes, there is the box, and the background is really pretty too. So, and see? So yeah, say anything on top. Maker of the world's finest model horses since 1950. It is the world's finest model horses. That is true. So yes, let's open him up. I am super excited because he's so pretty. Yes, let's get him open. Okay, so he is free. Here he is. Finally got him out of the box. They put so many of the twisty things in there. It hurts your thumb to undo it. Oh my gosh, he is absolutely gorgeous. And he is in the same mold as Little Ricky Rocker. So here he is. The shading is really, really good. So pretty. And I love the long tail. Here's the other side. And the eyes are really detailed and really pretty too. I like the face, his cute face. Yes, here he is. He's really pretty. And there's nothing on the bottom, so yeah, here he is. The shading is so good. So if you like paint horses, I highly recommend him. He's just pretty. Yeah. So, and can you give me the catalog, please? And in every Breyer box, there is. Don't remember if it's in the classics. I don't know. Oh, and by the way, this is a traditional. So yes, and it came with the catalog too. Yeah, it's basically just horses in there. Yeah. So I thought I'd give you guys a closer look of him in case you were thinking of getting him, because whenever I'm thinking of getting a horse, I like to watch reviews of it so you can see closer detail of it. Yeah, and if you're thinking of getting him, I really recommend him. He's gorgeous, and he has a really cute face. Yeah, so thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to my channel. Follow my Instagram, my Facebook, links are always down in the description box below. And we'll see you guys next time. Bye!